Hello and welcome friends. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit TikTok videos from zero to hero within the app. So let's jump in. I am Zuma and I worked in social media marketing for a number of years for big brands around the globe. Recently I went to visit one grocery store that imports products from overseas, and by the time I reached there was a huge line waiting outside, which was a little unexpected because the city where I live in is not that huge. And when I asked the person who's organizing the lines what's going on, he said that one TikTok video went viral and that's why the store is full. And although I know about TikTok and how trending it is at the moment, I didn't expect it because it came out of the blues. Today, in the middle of 2021, TikTok has over 1 billion active users monthly. So with the frenzy of TikTok around the world, I downloaded the app, but I did not create an account until last week when I decided to learn a little bit more about how to use TikTok. So the first thing you will see when you open the app is your timeline, and then you will press the plus sign to start recording. So as you can see, I'm recording myself. So the way you should look at making videos on TikTok is three basic stages. The first stage is where you film your clips. So just for the purpose of showing you, I'll take a very small clip here. Hello. And then you press the OK sign. Hello. So now you are at screen 2. And in screen 2, you're able to do all the editing you need. And then once you press next, you're actually ready to publish your video. So let's start over now and I'll show you how to take your own videos. So to start making your own video, you need to press the plus sign. I'll make my first video as if two people are talking to each other. So I'll start filming now. Excuse me, is there a coffee shop nearby here? And now I'll record the second person, but let's give this person some effects. And for the purpose of this video, I'll take this ugly face. And then we'll hit recording to start recording the second person. Oh, a coffee shop. There's one at the end of this street. Then I'll cancel this effect now. And record the third clip. Oh, thank you. And now we have 3 clips. And it's at the pre-production where you have the best effects. So you have trending effects, new effects, and some green screen effects, like this one, for example. Effects like this, like that one, like this one, for example, like that one, like this one, for example. There's a lot of cool effects. So once you have filmed your clips, you can add some filters, and filters help you change the colors, like this one, like that one, like this one. So you choose your preferred filter. For this one, I will go without a filter. So once you have filmed your clips, we're now ready to move to the next stage, which is editing. So we'll hit the OK button here. Excuse me, is there a coffee shop nearby here? And you'll notice that the video will start rolling. And it is in the editing stage on screen 2 where you are able to add a soundtrack. So let's go ahead and add one here. And maybe you notice that the soundtrack is a little louder, so we can go and edit it from here. And reduce the volume slightly. Let's say I don't want a soundtrack. Also in the editing phase, you can add some filters. The filters that we've seen earlier. But even more important, you can adjust your clips from here. So as you can see here, your 3 clips are here. You can go ahead and if you keep pressing on them long enough, you can start to reorder them. And it's on this screen where you're able to trim your clips like this, this. And then let me give you one more hint here. You can actually retake a video. Also on the editing screen, you can add your voice effects. And there's a lot of cool voice effects here. I like this one, for example.
Oh, a coffee shop. There's one at the end of this street.
Or the chipmunk voice effect.
Oh, thank you.
Also in the editing stage, you can add a voiceover on one of the clips that you filmed earlier. You can do this with a long press to record. Hello. You can also add some effects here, like the shake, for example, or the zoom. You can discard these effects. And you can also add some text in the editing phase. And you can change the font, change the style. And you can also control when the text will appear on the screen. So you can set the duration of the text on the screen. You can also add the text-to-speech feature.
Where is the coffee shop? Coffee shop nearby here.
And once you're happy with your video, you can press next to publish it. And it's on this screen where you add your caption and your hashtags. And once you're happy with it, you can click post.
Where is the coffee shop? Nearby here. Oh, a coffee shop. There's one at the end of this street.
Thanks for watching. Tell me in the comments below how you're using TikTok. And if you like this video, don't leave before you subscribe, share, and like to support this new channel. Ciao.